Greetings and welcome back everyone. Remember this project I did a while ago? The Woodworks Fusion PC. It was essentially an all-in-one PC built specially from wood that houses a 21-inch LCD screen and included all the necessary PC hardware such as an ATX motherboard, power supply and other hardware. It is a bummer that the project doesn't have audio. So I made a Bluetooth speaker that will be installed on the top side of the Woodworks Fusion PC using the ZK1002M audio module and a 3D printed body with a speaker. It uses Bluetooth to pair with the PC and stream audio. The PC's sound setting and an additional sound control knob can be used to adjust the sound. This video is about how the Bluetooth speaker setup was prepared. So let's get started with the build. For the Bluetooth module, we will be utilizing the ZK1002M audio module, which is a popular audio amplifier that features a 3116D2 power amplifier IC, an aux USB input, an inbuilt Bluetooth reception IC, and a volume knob. I've previously made a Bluetooth speaker project with the same amplifier, which you can check out if you want to make one yourself. A kit containing the entire setup is included, and it contains the amplifier board itself, 4 PCB standoff, 6 standoff bolt, a DC barrel jack adapter, a plastic knob, a PCB cover and a tiny screwdriver. The heart of this audio amplifier module is the TPA3116D2 power amplifier IC, which is a popular integrated circuit designed for use in audio amplifier application. It is manufactured by Texas Instruments and it is widely used in variety of audio amplification system, including consumer electronics and DIY audio projects. As for sourcing this audio module, I got this circuit from PCBWAY's gift shop. PCBWAY gift shop is an online marketplace where you can get variety of electronic module and board for their genuine price. Or you could use the PCBWAY currency, which is called beans. You get beans after ordering something from PCBWAY as reward points, or you can also get them by posting any project in the PCBWAY community. Check out PCBWAY for all sort of PCB related services or 3D printed services for less cost. The 3D design of this basic project start with the Woodworks Fusion PC CAD file and the addition of a box that fit between the two wooden panel on the top side of the PC. This box will house the speaker on one side and the audio module on the other side. We add 4 mounting pillars from the inside of the speaker board, which will be used to mount the speaker in its place using 4 M2 screws. We have made 4 holes and 1 large hole for diameter of 40 mm in center for the audio module's volume control knob. We are currently using 4 ohm speaker recovered from an old Samsung home theater system. These speakers are generic and can be bought easily in Radio Shack shop or even on Amazon. Using a soldering iron, we begin by connecting 2 wires to the speaker positive and negative terminal. Next, we connect the positive and negative terminals of the speaker to the ZK1002M audio module speaker output. For testing purposes, we utilize a 12V adapter with a 5mm barrel jack. Plug the adapter's DC jack in the audio module's power jack and the audio module is powered. Here's how it sounds. The assembly process was rather simple. We first positioned the speaker according to the design and used 4 M2 screws to secure the speaker in its place. Then we fitted the audio module and tightened it with the screws that came with the audio module kit. After installing the audio module, we attach the knob of the potentiometer to the audio module. Next, we use two wires and a soldering iron to connect the CON2 salvage from an ATX supply with the input port and the negative of audio module. This CON2 will be connected to an ATX supply for power. Now we position the audio module setup on top of the Woodworks Fusion PC and use a punch tool to create holes for module placement. Next, we use wood screws to tighten the audio module setup with both wooden panels. Furthermore, we put a push on and off rocker switch on the body of the audio module that will be connected to the motherboard power on switch. This rocker switch will be used to turn on the PC and off. This simple build, the Woodworks Fusion PC now has sound. The ZK1002M allow you to connect your PC over Bluetooth to play music, watch movies and do other things. This setup is extremely loud due to the power amplifying IC. This project demonstrates how the ZK1002M module may be used to create sound related projects. Special thanks to PCBWAY for supporting this project and providing the audio module through their gift shop. You guys can reach them out for a variety of services ranging from 3D printing to PCB and PCB assembly related. Thanks for getting this far, and I'll be back with a new project pretty soon. Peace out.
Millimeter go bang.